Alright, boys and girls, today in Course A, I'm going to show you Lesson 8, Loops with Scrat. So we're going to start off with Puzzle 1. Alright, in Puzzle 1, we need to help Scrat across the slippery ice to get to the acorn. Here's Scrat. He needs to get to the acorn. Now, what direction does he need to move? North, south, east, or west? And sometimes you can help by bringing the arrow over on top of Scrat. I don't think he needs to move north. South? I don't think he needs to move south. East. Oh, this will definitely help. Move east. So, how many times does he need to go east? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can bring out 5 east blocks. Okay. And then I could click run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. East. Awesome. Now I'm going to click replay because I want to show you a special block. And this pink block is called a repeat block. And typically you use this block because you need to repeat something over and over again. As you can see in our block of codes, we had to repeat ourselves 5 times. So instead of doing that, we just need to take one east block, put it in the repeat loop, move this to the side, or you could throw it out in the trash, and connect repeat with when run. When I click reset and run, it's going to do the same exact thing. East, 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 east. He did that 5 times and I only had to use 2 blocks. All right, good job. You try to do number 2 on your own. I'm going to actually move right to number 3. In number 3, you can watch a little video about Ice Age loops when you log into code.org. I'm going to come right to 4. Okay, 4 is very similar to what we just did in 1, so I'm just going to move on. Okay, right here in Puzzle 5. Now, Scrat is up on top, right here, and he needs to get to the acorn, which is down here. Now, when we're looking at the code, we see that they started something for us. So I'm going to click run to see what he can do first. Oh no, it doesn't work. So the run button doesn't work when you have an empty repeat block. So the best thing to do is just move this down for a little bit. We'll reconnect it later. And this says repeat east 4 times. Perfect. So he's standing right here. I'm going to reconnect this repeat block. And let's see, what direction does he need to go to get to the acorn? And how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. He needs to go south 4 times. Now, I want to tell you about this little gray circle where it says 1, 0, 0, 1. This little number means that you can only use that amount of blocks. So you can only use 1 north block. You can only use, well, I already used 1 south block, so there's none left for me to use. There's no more east blocks for me to use because I already used 1. And there's 1 west block. So there's a limit now to the puzzle, which is another challenge for you. So let's try this run. 1, 2, 3, 4 times east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times south. Good job. Click continue. All right, I'm going to bring you right into Puzzle 8. In Puzzle 8, there are already blocks set up here, and I need your help to debug this code. Now, I'm going to click run to see what happens first. Scrat is right here. He's going east 1, 2, 3. So far so good. 1, 2, 3 going north. And then it says to go west. Now, let's look here where he made the mistake. This number says 3 times. Go 3 times north. Is that true? Does 1, 2, 3. Looks like he's short 2 more. So he has to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to change that to 5 because I counted the tiles. I'm going to click reset. I'm going to run it one more time to see if that helps. Okay, 3 times east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times west. And lastly, 4 times south. All right, good job. I want you to try puzzle 9 on your own, and we're going to go right into 10, which is a challenge. Who's up for this challenge? I'm ready. All right, Scrat is right here. And with the previous puzzles, you've gotten a lot of practice. Here's Scrat. Okay, we know we're using a repeat block. We might have to change the repeat number, so we'll have to count first. Also, I want to point out one more time, these gray bubbles, you can only use 1 north block, 2 south block, 1 east block, and 2 west block. This is to remind you that you need to use a repeat block in your code. So he's going to go south, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, okay. And you can use the step button to help you after you put down each set of codes. I'm going to put the next set of repeat. And he's standing right here if he goes south 5 times. And then he has to go west 2 times. So I'm going to put the west here. I'm going to change the number to 2. Okay. I could click the step button to test it out or run for now, just to see where he is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times south. And then 1, 2, 2 times west. So far, so good. I'm going to take the next repeat. And where he's standing right now, he has to go north 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then again, he's standing right here, where I left off. Pull out another repeat. He's going to go west again. You see how when I drag that west block out, the number 1 turned into 0. 1, 2. And then I'm going to drag the repeat out one last time because he's going to hit home 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and get his acorn. Let's see. Drag the south block. Click reset. Click run one more time. And let's see. Oh no, can you help me debug? I think it was right here in this repeat section. I forgot to change the repeat to 2. Thanks for catching my mistake. I'm going to click reset. I'm going to click run. He went 5 times south, 2 times west, 5 times north. And this is where I corrected my mistake, 2 times west. And then 5 times south. Yay! He's so happy now he gets to eat his acorn. Good job for completing the challenge. Click continue. All right, so you did a good job so far. I'm going to have you complete 11 and 12 on your own. And then once, let me just talk about 12 for a second. For 12, this is your decision. There are many ways to get to the acorn. So try playing with different blocks in the repeat. There's 3 question marks, meaning you get to choose the numbers. Okay. And I just want you to have fun with it. When you get to the flag, you've completed lesson 8. There are some lesson 5 challenges if you haven't done those already. And great job. Talk to you soon.